proud to join you all here this afternoon on the occasion to mark the first ever inaugural statement made in my capacity as Minister for Foreign Affairs after opening our embassy here in Jerusalem this morning. From the outset, let me acknowledge the remarkable support that we have received from the Honorable Gideon and the staff of the Ministry of Foreign Affairs of the State of Israel during the preparation of the site, the building, and everything that went into the preparation of the embassy. Your Excellencies and distinguished guests, I'd like to acknowledge the special bond and the enduring friendship and relationship that has existed between Fiji and the State of Israel, which is founded on our common interests, our mutual aspirations, mutual respect and affection demonstrated over the years. The special bond with you and your great nation is deeply revered by the people of Fiji, revered by soldiers and servicemen of Fiji who have served in the Middle East region since 1978, many of whom have made the supreme sacrifice of life. But today is an opportunity to pay tribute and respect those soldiers who have paid that sacrifice for the safety and security of your great nation and the region at large. I remember as the middle-ranking officer those many years ago when the United Nations announced Resolution 424, 425, and 426, and we were called very urgently for a weekend training to work out what Fiji would do. We didn't know, those of us that were collecting data that morning, that we didn't know that Fiji was going to perform. At about the same time, our ambassador in New York was volunteering Fiji to participate in peacekeeping in Lebanon in response to Resolutions 425 and 426. Over 4 decades, since 1978, Fiji has proudly provided our servicemen and women to serve in the United Nations operations on the Israeli-Lebanese border, now Israel and Syria, and also in the Egypt-Israeli border. We may be a small nation, a small island state in the Pacific, but we have always been determined to play our part in the global community by helping to keep the peace in troubled parts of the world. I can attest to the fact that, and I'm fortunate to have been the commander of both the battalions that participated in this part of the world, the 1st Battalion in Lebanon, the 2nd Battalion in the Sinai. And we all of us remember very richly the association, the friendship we enjoyed while we were here. As we remember our history, we must also look forward to the future. The opening of the Fiji Embassy here today is a great testament to our enduring commitment and collaboration for mutual prosperities of both our peoples. Our presence in your great nation greatly enhances the potential for greater cooperation in trade, private sector engagement, defense cooperation, agriculture, medical education, sports diplomacy, and tourism, to name a few. When we were here, I was here in 1980, well past my rugby years. I still had to run on and play with the battalion team against the university, Hebrew University of Jerusalem. We had a lot of fun. I was just showing the minister a photograph after that game, coming down. I was playing the guitar at the mark on our way down to the Red Sea, many years ago. I had some hair. But now at 77, I could just dream about those great years. But then I could look forward to better years for those that are coming after us. I note with great enthusiasm the arrival of delegations coming from the state of Israel to the Pacific Island countries for discussions aimed at deepening and advancing regional cooperation in a wide array of bilateral, multilateral, and strategic areas. The Pacific region would warmly welcome you when you come, and it takes our engagement to a next level with our blue Pacific continent, especially through technical projects and training programs led by your world-renowned Israel International Development Agency, or MASHA. The region of the Pacific, and Fiji in particular, you can count on our unwavering support for you and your continued presence and elevated relationship that you will have with us in Fiji and other areas of the Pacific. I went to Papua New Guinea a few months ago and saw the great cooperation you have going there with the agriculture people. I went to see the farm. I was very jealous of Papua New Guinea. And I'm hoping that we will be able to set up some of those in Fiji. Some of you know when the 7th of October 23 happened, we had to evacuate some of our agriculture students who were training here. I'm happy to announce that we have some of them back, and hopefully we will continue to enjoy that bilateral cooperation. I'm certain that our relationship will be elevated to even greater heights by the historic events of the opening of our embassy here in Jerusalem today. So, Your Excellencies, thank you all very much for being here. We have drunk a toast to the enduring relationship between Israel and Fiji, and we would like to wish you continued success. We pray for the peace of Jerusalem, and we pray for enduring friendship between Israel and Fiji. God bless Israel.